Actually, I've got a question for Peter Hull. I keep hearing about the surplus, and Peter's here all the time, and it's going to be good to hear from Peter in relation to this. But looking at the budget, there was roughly around $90 million worth of assets for sale. Now, that's like selling your house to pay your credit cards. I don't think that's good management. And recently, the CEO was just fired, costing the ratepayers $1 million. Now, that's currently under investigation, opening up all ratepayers to potential multi-million-dollar liability. The Mayor mentioned that the building, he's struggling to rent the building, $8 million in lost income at City Place. I don't know if everyone's seen the news. Council have got issues with people catching cancer in one of their buildings. Now the university are getting nervous. They may want to leave. There's another empty building. I'm looking at all the ratios. It fails on every ratio, from outside building, industry, infrastructure renewal ratio, operating performance ratio. It's been terrible. In my eyes, that's my opinion. I'm an accountant. I've looked at it. It's not all rosy. I think you've got to tell both sides. I'd like Peter to answer that question.